Happy birthday
so
to me.
she can open her
To
present.
me. Happy birthday to you. To me. You come
I don't know, but you need to eat.
And 5, 4,
Eat your cake
3,
so Aja
2,
can open her
hi.
present.
It's nice to see you. I always know about this TV. And this blue canoe that promised on here. And Errol looks excited and behind the couch. And see this? Dad wants to tell you something.
Oh no.
Dad, just tell one thing.
Whose birthday is it?
Mine is the oldest container right.
What?
Container right.
Okay, one more time. Sing your song.
Happy birthday to me. To me. Happy birthday to me. To me. Now it's there on video. Man.
How old are you?
I want to see it on video, Mom.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say thanks everyone for saying happy birthday.
Thanks everyone for saying happy birthday. Can I be the closer with my shoe? I want to be the closer.